How to configure your file history backup frequency. One of the best practices of backing up files is determining how you schedule the process. Here's how you can configure your file history backup frequency. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is file history and how it works? Firstly, let's review what file history is and how it works. Simply put, it is a built-in backup tool on Windows that saves user files and their modified versions. This allows specific versions of a file to be restored in case they become corrupted or lost. The process starts with a full backup of selected folders. Afterwards, it checks for any incremental changes made to the files and saves those versions at intervals. Part of putting this feature to good use is to configure the frequency of the backup. Performing it too often keeps your files secure at the cost of precious storage space. Doing so sparingly saves resources but risks data loss. In the end, it comes down to finding the right balance of efficiency and security. Once you have a schedule in mind, you're ready to configure your system's file history. Here's how. 2 methods to configure file history. Option 1, Settings. There, go to Update and Security and find Backup. Click on More Options, drop down Backup My Files, and choose your backup frequency. Option 2, Control Panel. Open it and go to System and Security, then File History. First, check if it is on. Then click on Advanced Settings and select Frequency under Versions. Either way, options range from every 10 minutes to once per day, so choose wisely. Optimization tips. While you're at it, take the opportunity to optimize this backup feature. Here are some tips. 1. Determine how often you will perform backups based on how frequently you use certain files. 2. Exclude folders and files that you don't need to include in the process. And 3. Make sure to keep an eye on your storage space and adjust your retention settings accordingly. With the right configurations, your files will be in good hands when backing up. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to configure your file history backup frequency, linked in the description below.